Okay, welcome back to another Mike's Garage video. We're going to do some modifications on this bike today. We are going to change out this whole piece with the Takamoto piece, which this goes up underneath just like that one does, and essentially will look something like that. So less mass, less stuff bouncing around, and whatnot. So stay tuned and let's get going. Should take a few minutes. All right, looks like we got to change out 6 bolts. One here, one here, one here. There's one right here, and then there's two up in here. Two up in here. We'll take those out. Those will come off. Disconnect the electrical, and we'll see how that goes. All right, disconnect the electrical. These here, this down here. So this thing unbolted like that.